Welcome to ChaoLee Adventures. If you're just joining us, we are currently in Thailand. One of the main reasons for this trip is to attend the 5th annual World Iu Mien Festival. The festival is a 3-day event with the main event happening on Saturday, which includes lots of guest singers, performances, fashion shows, vendors, a pageant, and many more. We arrived on the first day to check out the vendors as the tables for the following day were being set up. There are live performers on the stage at all times entertaining the guests. The vendors are mostly selling modern Mien clothing. These patterns used to be hand-sewn embroidery, but in the modern world, we are able to get these printed with a machine. We no longer have to wait months, sometimes over a year, to get any of the traditional Mien clothing. This gives us younger generation the opportunity to dress up in our cultural clothing, as it does not take as long to get ready. If you are interested in learning more about the culture and the history of Mien people, we'll link some videos down in the description below.
Bolongพวงมาลัยกองออกเขาทุกทำมันเหมือนใหม่โอกาสนะมั้ยจริงๆถ้าเด็กเขาประชาสัมพันธ์ที่เกียรติเยอะเขาเผาพวงมาลัยก็We accessorize our traditional clothing with real silver. As you can see here, the silver are handmade. It's not only time-consuming, but it's very valuable.
Một siêu Let's recognize somebody.
After checking out the vendors on the first day, we stopped at the night market again for some delicious street food before checking into the hotel. The night market happens every Friday and Saturday night. Remember to book your hotel way in advance. Some people thought they can book it when they arrive, but ended up not being able to find any hotels nearby. Since Nan is a pretty small city, we made sure to book our hotel ahead of time.
Go down this way.
The next morning we had breakfast at the hotel and hung out at the pool for a bit. Then we are back at the World Iu Mien Festival for the main event, which started off with the parade and traditional musical instruments. Mien people from many parts of the world came to represent. If you plan to attend this event, make sure you purchase your table tickets. Usually the event is announced on Facebook, so you can get in contact with the organizers to purchase your ticket.
ในปีการศึกษา 2566 นี้ โดย
Tables do run out quickly if you wait. The ticket is for a table and a meal on the main day of the event. You can still attend the event even if you don't have a ticket. However, you will not be able to sit at a table unless you know someone.
ภาพความบันเทิงด้านบนเวทีวัฒนธรรมอำเภอปัวผู้บริหารปูปะไปเติมไปแอลจังหวัดดังนี้ครูบุญญาได้แท้เต็นคุณวิสุทธิ์แช่เต็นคุณเวลาทำงานอยู่ที่นี่ก็จะตอนนี้ผมและคุณครูโบครับศูนย์ของเมืองน่านเดินทางไปวังเวียนเดินทางไปนับพวงมาลัยอยู่ด้านข้างเวที1พวงมาลัยเท่ากับ1
กิโลหรือ1 ครั้งเจ็ดแป้รัวเจ็บ
ใครจะให้พิธีกรก็ได้ครับ
ได้เลยค่ะ
ก็พูดเป็นภาษายุทธ
คุณทุกๆรอบเลยตู้27 ครั้งโตะโซเดียมมหาวิทยาลัย
วิ่งแบบว่าดังติดตัวไหมดังไม่รู้แหละตัวไหมลองเนาะ
ทุกท่านอยากฟังเสียงจากพะเยาสักหน่อยไหมอยากหมายเลขทะเบียน 7189 ขอไข่งองูเชียงใหม่ได้ให้เกียรติมอบรางวัลท่านผู้บังคับการ
This was our first time attending the World Iu Mien Festival. If we happen to be traveling back to Thailand around this time again, we will make time to attend the future events.
ช่อดอกไม้แล้ว
Thank you for watching and we hope to see you again soon. In our next video, we will be crossing the border to Laos, so stay tuned.